Hey guys, today's video is going to be my everyday makeup tutorial. I'm going to be showing you some of my favourite products I've been loving recently. I'm first of all going to be telling you about my contact lenses. So my contact lenses are by a brand called Iris Beauty. I've had their lenses before and I really like them. The quality of them is amazing. So if you want something that's going to be good quality and it's going to last you long, definitely check them out. I'm going to leave their link down below, and I have a discount code which is a discount code which is Amy45 if you want some money off. The colour I'm wearing is Amber Rebel. So yeah, if you're interested, that will be linked down below. So yeah, another product I want to show you guys is this bag by a company called The Flat Lay Co. I really like this bag because I use it every day, and obviously I thought I'd show you guys because it's my everyday makeup tutorial. But basically it's just a really nice everyday bag. It just comes out flat like this. Sorry it's messy because I use it all the time. And basically once you put all your products in it, you just pull the drawstring and then you can just tighten it up and you literally just have a bag. But yeah, if you're interested in this, it'll be linked down below as well. So I'm just going to let you guys watch this video, and if you want to achieve this look, stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. That'd be amazing. I hope you enjoy, guys. So I'm just going to start off by doing my brows, and I'm just going to use a cheap eyebrow pencil. I'm going to be taking my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C13. I'm just going to conceal the bottom of my brows. I'm going to use this tiny bit. I normally use a concealer more close to my shade, but I don't know where I put the concealer. I'm now using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa, and I'm going to use that to just conceal the top of my brows. So for foundation, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I'm using the shade 380 and it's called Espresso. I'm now going to be using my L'Oreal concealer again in the shade C13 just to highlight my face. And then I'm going to be taking my damp Full Technique sponge to blend it all out. I have to wash this every single time I use it. For some reason, I just cannot. If I see muck on it, it's a no-go for me. Sorry. I'm now going to be taking my Huda Beauty setting powder, and I'm using the shade Kunafa. I bought this powder quite a while ago, but I never used to really use it, but now I'm kind of like obsessed with it, and a little goes a long way with this as well. Okay, so I have some lashes. These lashes are from my company brand called Coco Luxe Beauty. I'll leave them linked down below. This style is called Noon, and they are only £2.50, so if you're interested in getting them, I'll leave the link down below to that. I almost forgot about them, like they've been drying since the beginning, so hopefully they are still tacky. I'm going to be using this Milani face powder. It's the shade Ginger, and I just use that around my face. And then I'm going to be using this Morphe Pro Filter Effect. Is it not? Why do I keep saying Pro Filter Effect? It's a Morphe Filter Effect finishing powder, and I'm in the shade Filter 14. I consistently use this powder in my videos because I really like the colour. I can't really find a lot of nice bronzers because it's really warm. So it's a nice kind of like bronzer. So I just use that on my face like every single time I do my makeup now. Before I use it to contour my nose, I'm just going to brush off my excess setting powder. I'm now just going to be using my NARS eyeshadow in the shade Regal to just highlight my voice. Last but not least, I'm just going to apply some Carmex on my lips.
Just one of them.